Hi, welcome to Educational Job Guide YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see PhD admission notification from one of the government institute. It will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for this type of opportunity. So please share this video with your friends and colleagues. To get my next video or notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the all bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this multiple discipline or subject notification from this government institute. And now while coming to the present content of this video. So it is the official website of this institute. So you can check down here Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. It is official website. If you enter into this website, you may check down here scrolling announcement and application form of PhD program 2023. So if you click on this one and then it will be directed to this notification. So here the official notification is given. So let's check about which departments are having the which subject notification. Forest Research Institute, deemed to be University, Dehradun. Date of notification 3rd July 2023. Announcement for PhD program in Forestry 2023. The Forest Research Institute deemed to be university is invited application from UGC NTA or UGC CSIR NET, GATE CEED and similar national level test candidates for enrollment in PhD program in Forestry 2023. Here the application fees are mentioned. 1500 rupees is the application fees and the last date is 4th August 2023. Here mention an important point. The prescribed form may be downloaded from this website. Here the official website link are mentioned. You may check down properly with carefully. Now coming to the important dates. Date of issue of application from 5th July 2023. Last date for submission of from 4th August 2023. Now coming to the name of research center or discipline wise seat matrix. First, Arid Forest Research Institute, Jodhpur. Forest Bioinformatics, total number of seat 1. Forest Biotechnology, total number of seat 3. Forest Botany, total number of seat 1. Forest Entomology, total number of seat 2. Forest Pathology, total number of seat 2. Then Central Pulp and Paper Research Institute, Sharanpur. Pulp and Paper Technology, total number of seat 2. Then Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. Chemistry of Forest Products, total number of seat 7. Conservation Social Science, total number of seat 1. Forest Bioinformatics, total number of seat 1. Forest Biotechnology, total number of seat 3. Forest Botany, total number of seat 1. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seat 2. Forest Entomology, total number of seat 1. Forest Genetics, total number of seat 1. Forest Pathology, total number of seat 2. Non-wood forest products, total number of seat 1. Silviculture, total number of seat 1. Soil Science, total number of seat 2. Wood Science and Technology, total number of seat 1. Then GB Pant Institute of Himalayan Environment and Development, Almora. Chemistry of Forest Product, total number of seat 1. Climate Change and Forest Influence, total number of seat 2. Environment Management, total number of seat 3. Forest Biotechnology, total number of seat 5. Forest Botany, total number of seat 5. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seat 7. Forest Genetics, total number of seat 1. Forest Hydrology, total number of seat 1. Non-wood forest products, total number of seat 1. Soil Science, total number of seat 1. Then Himalayan Forest Research Institute, Shimla. Forest Genetics, total number of seat 2. Forest Pathology, total number of seat 2. Then Indian Institute of Forest Management, Bhopal. Climate Change and Forest Influence, total number of seat 1. Conservation Soil Science, total number of seat 3. Environment Management, total number of seat 2. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seat 1. Forest Geoinformatics, total number of seat 1. Forestry Extension, total number of seat 1. Pulp and Paper Technology, total number of seat 1. Then Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seat 1. Forest Geoinformatics, total number of seat 2. Forest Hydrology, total number of seat 1. Then Institute of Forest Biodiversity, Hyderabad. Forest Pathology 1. Non-wood forest products 2. Soil Science 1. Institute of Forest Genetics and Tree Breeding, Coimbatore. Forest Biotechnology, total number of seats 7. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seats 1. Forest Entomology, total number of seats 6. Institute of Forest Productivity, Ranchi. Forest Biotechnology, total number of seats 2. Forest Genetics, total number of seats 5. Forest Geoinformatics, total number of seats 2. Silviculture, total number of seats 1. Then Institute of Wood Science and Technology, Bangalore. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seats 3. Forest Entomology, total number of seats 1. Forest Genetics, total number of seats 2. Forest Pathology, total number of seats 2. Silviculture, total number of seats 2. Wood Science and Technology, total number of seats 13. Then Kerala Forest Research Institute, Pechi. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seats 1. Forest Entomology, total number of seats 1. Soil Science, total number of seats 1. Wildlife Science, total number of seats 1. Then Rainforest Research Institute, Jorhat. Forest Botany, total number of seats 2. Forest Ecology and Environment, total number of seats 1. Forest Entomology, total number of seats 1. Forest Genetics, total number of seats 1. Forest Hydrology, total number of seats 1. Forest Pathology, total number of seats 6. Forest Sheet Technology, total number of seats 1. Plant Physiology, total number of seats 1. Then Tropical Forest Research Institute, Jabalpur. Chemistry of Forest Product, total number of seats 1. Forest Biotechnology, total number of seats 2. Forest Genetics, total number of seats 3. Non-wood forest products, total number of seats 1. Wildlife Institute of India, Chandrabani, Dehradun. Environment Management, total number of seats 1. Forest Botany, total number of seats 1. Wildlife Sanctuary, total number of seats 2. It is the application form. You may check down properly with carefully. Now coming to the discipline or subject wise qualifications are mentioned in detail. You may check down properly. First silviculture, then forest seed technology, forest genetics, forest botany, forest pathology, forest entomology, soil science, forest ecology and environment, forest management, wood science and technology, chemistry of forest products, pulp and paper technology, forest extension, non-wood forest products, forest biotechnology, forest bioinformatics, environment management, wildlife science, forest geoinformatics, forest hydrology, plant physiology, application of information technology in forest, climate change and forest influence, conservation of soil science. Now coming to the duration of the program, PhD program shall be for a minimum duration of 3 years including coursework and a maximum duration of 6 years from the date of admission to the PhD program. Here the other details also mentioned, you may check down properly. Now coming to the procedure for admission. The admission shall be based on the criteria notified by the institute, keeping in view the guidelines norms in this regard issued by the UGC and other statutory or regulatory bodies concerned, and taking into account the reservation policy of the central government from time to time. On interview basis for students qualifiers for fellowship scholarship only in UGC NET, UGC CSIR NET, GATE, CED and similar national level tests. Here the other details also mentioned, you may check down properly with carefully. Now coming to the fee structure. The registration letter for the PhD degree will be issued only after receipt of the prescribed fees to the FRI University. Here the fee structure are mentioned for Indian scholar fee structure. You may check down properly with carefully. So these are all the details, instruction and the in detail admission notification regarding the PhD admission from the Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. So in intercity candidates may apply for this position. Thank you.